Hi Room 20 families. As promised, I wanted to share with you a couple of new items that you'll be seeing on your digital notebook starting on Monday, tomorrow, April 27th. So as you see on my screen, you'll see the digital notebook and Vista Virtual School lessons that will be shared with you on Monday. I am actually going to start to schedule them to be posted at 6 a.m. instead of 8 a.m. I'm doing this because I know that some of you get up early and want to get an early start, or some of you might need the lessons a little bit earlier to prepare. So like I said, the format has not changed. It goes over how you have your recommended activities and your extension or optional activities that you can do after. And the couple of things that we'll be talking about today are your reading comprehension in your recommended activities, as well as the extension activities of music, STEM, and a Pet Wars read aloud. So as we scroll down, you'll see in reading comprehension, instead of doing read work articles, we are going to be starting a literature study on Charlotte's Web. So in the beginning, it goes over how we're going to be doing that and how you're welcome to use your own copy of Charlotte's Web if you have one. Or there's going to be a digital and audio file. You can read along with the digital if you don't have your own copy, or you could read along and listen to the audio at the same time. Before you read, make sure you look at the vocabulary words. These words will be within the chapter you're reading, so make sure you understand their meanings before you read. Here's the digital file and the audio file. After you've listened to or read just one chapter, we're only going to do one chapter a day, you'll have comprehension questions. So underneath the question, you're going to type in complete sentences your answer, or if it's a fill in the blank, type in your answer in the blank. There's word work, your opinion writing. Please make sure that you're going into your Google Drive to work on your opinion document, adding on, looking at the directions of what you'll be doing for that day. Read to self, math, and into your extension activities. So after your science, movement, typing practice, and technology options, you have music, STEM, the Pet War read aloud, and a just for fun option. So in music, there is a document that Mrs. Sotelo has created. And within that document, you'll see the dates. So this is Monday through Friday, so next week. These are the optional lessons that she has for you. And then it continues on with following weeks. So please make sure you're only focused in the week that you're working in if you're doing the music optional activities. Then for STEM, Mrs. Larson has created a Google slide as well as a video to explain the challenge that she has set up for you. It's actually a very awesome challenge, so I'd really suggest you just check that out. For either of these activities, I have given you Mrs. Sotelo and Mrs. Larson's email addresses. Please make sure if you have any questions to use your email and contact them. And lastly, we have our Pet War read aloud. If you remember, before we left school, we were reading the story of the Pet War. We read 3 chapters, and each day I'm going to be reading a chapter and putting it into your extension activities. So if you'd like to listen to me reading a chapter, click on that read aloud, and I'll continue with chapter 5 on Tuesday, chapter 6 Wednesday, and so on. So I really hope that you take some time to look at these extension activities because they're really awesome. All right, so that's it for a couple new things that you'll be seeing next week. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you all tomorrow in our Zoom meeting at 12:30 p.m. Bye!